right here you have some of the ingredients that you're gonna need for the jerk chicken, you know, authentic Jamaican recipe. So as you can see, I have some soy sauce, cayenne pepper, cinnamon powder, chili powder, onion powder, black pepper. I have some jerk seasoning right there in the back. You know, you have garlic powder, garlic, fresh garlic, allspice, or, you know, pimento, fresh thyme. You have your ginger. We have some lemon, onion, and two different type of hot pepper. We have the habanero, or the and also the, what do you call this, the Serrano pepper. Yeah, and some scallions. So right now we're gonna go ahead and mix all them seasoning together. Put all of the fresh seasoning and herb in the blender and blend it up for you. You see it? So just stay tuned and watch the recipe.
And these weird looking stuff, they're pink lemons. So these are what they use to make the pink lemonade.
Alright guys, so right now I'm going to show you how to make the Jamaican jerk seasoning, alright? So I have my onion right there, so you just want to chop it in like 4 pieces, drop it in the blender. You have your fresh thyme, you ain't got to cut it up, just drop it in same way. Pimento seeds, I need some fresh minced garlic. If you don't have them one or minced already, just get some fresh garlic. Alright. And I'm also gonna leave, you know, the step-by-step, you know, recipe in the description of the video. So you can always, you know, look on it and follow step-by-step guide. So right here I have some fresh ginger, drop it in same way. And you have your pink lemon. You know, I couldn't find any orange that I wanted, so, you know, you can always substitute lemon or lime just to give it a zesty flavor. You squeeze the juice in and the blender same way. Or you could always use orange juice, fresh orange juice, or the one in the box. Either one work. Squeeze the juice in. Right here now we have what you call it, I have some pepper them. Just cut it in at 2 and drop it in same way. Or you could just drop the whole thing in. Alright. Same thing for the green onions or scallion. And now you're gonna add some soy sauce. That soy sauce, you're gonna add a little saltiness to it. Nice flavor. Bring out the spice a little bit. Alright, so we're almost there. We're gonna reach there yet, but I'm gonna add a little let's put my spoon there. I think let's put the spoon in, but oh, see spoon here. So you're gonna add some salt as well. Alright, add the salt. Add some sugar. Close up the blender, and then we're gonna make it work. Work me, I work on a chicken, me a jerk. You see it? Let's give it time. Alright guys, so this is what your jerk sauce paste should look like. Not too watery, not too thick. And see? All your fresh herbs and spices in it. So now we're gonna mix all our dry seasoning together. Wash the chicken and then add it to the chicken. Alright, so right now I'm about to add the dry seasoning them together. Alright, so I have black pepper. We're just gonna mix everything together. Later on I'm going to the description, the recipe. And you have cinnamon powder. Add some cinnamon. Add some chili powder, you know, and onion powder, cayenne pepper, give a little paprika, give it some color and flavor. You have some nutmeg. You have the jerk seasoning rub. And we have some all-purpose seasoning right here. Now we're just gonna mix everything together, you know? Alright, see there? Everything mix and blend up together, ready to go. So right now we're just gonna slice up the chicken, because I have a whole chicken, so I'm gonna slice it up and then add everything together and put it on the grill afterwards. So just stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so as you can see, you know, wash the chicken. If you have some lemon juice or vinegar, you can add it to your chicken and rinse it off. You know, kind of kill the scent and the smell. You know, kill all of them bacteria there. Yeah. So now your chicken ready to go up on the cutting board. Alright, so as you can see, cut out the chicken. You know, just cut it in a two real quick, then cut it in a leg quarter, and then please remember to clean the chicken. You know, all them something, just take them out and, you know, dispose of them properly. Yeah, make sure you clean it properly. Alright, so we'll start, you know, get everything ready to marinate the chicken. So we'll do some little slices or holes on the chicken breast and the leg quarter. So all of the juice from the jerk seasoning soak right through and it cook fast up on the grill, you know. Just like this. Same thing for the leg quarter, leg and thigh. See, just like that. I want to give it some little deep slices, you know. You don't have to overdo it, but the more slices and holes you have on it, the faster I cook, and the better your chicken will taste at the end of the day. Everything will be, you know, marinated and soaked. Yeah, so that's that so far. I'll go ahead and add everything to the pan right now, as you can see. Now the next step is to add all of the dry jerk seasoning, or mix up all of them dry seasoning there. You see? Yeah. Now I mix all that, rub it up. Don't be afraid to get, you know, dirty with the chicken. Don't be afraid. Just rub it up. You know? And now what we're gonna do is, look on this, see, everything nice and seasoned, well seasoned. So now we're gonna add that same jerk, you know, marinade that we blend up earlier. We're gonna add all that good stuff to it. And what I can do is, we'll save a little bit of it for later, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some nice jerk sauce to go on top of the chicken when we're done grill it and things. You see, might add some little sweetness to it later, some mango or something like that, but you know, see it there? And like I said, don't be afraid to get dirty. And we'll let this soak for at least, you know, 124 hours. It tastes better that way there. Yeah, man. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go outside, light up the grill, you know, and get everything ready. Alright, so right now we are trying to catch the charcoal, the grill, you know, light it up. So I add a little bit of gas on them thing there, you know, light a fluid. Alright guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to my video, to my channel. Right now I'm gonna put the chicken on the grill. You know? Well marinated, well seasoned. And the thing is, you don't want your fire to be too blazing. You don't want it to be too high, because at the end of the day, jerk chicken is not about burning the chicken. You know, it's not barbecue. It's slow cook. It's a slow process. Well seasoned. You know, a smoky flavor basically. The smoke and the heat gonna cook it, not the flame. So just let it go and sit. You know, and then we'll come check back on it later on. This whole process take a good 2 hours or hour, depending on how high you have the grill. But right now we're just gonna let it slow cook for a good hour and a half, you know? Yeah, just like that. Alright guys, so right now, I'll check the chicken to see if you have a nice color. So, as you can see, this not ready yet, so you wanna leave it on the same side, you know, for the next few minutes. You wanna make sure you have a nice brown dark color first. You see how this look? Right, so? And that color there. This is the color you're looking for right there. But this side is not done as yet, so you want to leave it on the grill a little bit longer before you flip it. Alright? And this one, ready to flip. Kind of on the fire, on the flame. You know? How about this one? Yeah. Flip that one over the same way. Alright, so like how the fire is about to start blazing again, you want to close it up on the grill and make it go on. Alright guys, so time to flip the chicken. See it there? You have a nice color already. You know? See it there? Yeah. Look, delicious already, and you're not even halfway done it. You have a nice crunchy outside. You know, well seasoned, everything nice. Everything plug in, nothing to plug out. Just stay tuned and go and watch the video. And like we say, slow cook, you know? 200 degrees right now, it's still gone up to about 300, but just go and take the time and slow cook the jerk chicken. Alright guys, so once again, you know, I have some diced chopped up mangoes right here. Like I told you earlier, we're gonna make some sweet jerk sauce to go on top of the chicken. Alright, so right here I have the jerk sauce, so we blend up the jerk marinade or we blend up earlier. I save a little bit of it, put it back in the blender. Here I have the mangoes, you know, as you can see. You know? I'll put that in the blender the same way. Add some more sweetness to it. Sugar. Then we have the good Ray Nephew overproof white rum. You know, every Jamaican should have at least a bottle in them house. Them already know already. This is gonna be a jerk mango rum sauce. You understand? So let's blend it up together once again. We'll have a nice, spicy, sweet mango jerk sauce right here with a little dash of rum. See it there? Guys, so this is basically the last step, you know. Pour all of the blend up where you just mix up with the mango and the jerk seasoning and the rum. Put it on the stove top and just let it go and come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to reduce it. You get me, sir? Turn down the thing to low and make it go and simmer. After that, we're just going to pour it on the chicken and we eat and have fun. Alright guys, so right now we have the perfect color we are looking for. So we'll take it off the direct heat, put it on the top rack. Make sure, sir, you close like all the ventilation vents on your grill. because you don't want too much wind, you know, come past your grill that will bring up the flame out of there. You know? So, like I said before, you just want to cook it on a low heat all the time, you know? Look on the color there, right? So right now, about a good hour since it's up on the grill, you know? So, just make it go and soak, man. And you know, make sure, so let me say, close the event a little bit and make it soak and simmer down. Alright, so chicken them ready. See it? Nice color on the chicken them. Good to go. About to chop them up and start having a feast. Alright, see it there? Chicken them ready, man. Looking good. Nice color. Juicy on the inside, is it? Look at that. Yes, 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 people. Real deal, authentic, Jamaican style. Alright guys, so right now we just put all of the chicken them on the plate. And then we're gonna start by digging in and enjoy the little feast here, you know? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a little, put some star fruit on the plate, you know, just to give it a little color, you know? Some sweet pepper, you know? Just add it there just for the color once again for bring out the dish, you know?